today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Photomath app. So all you have to do in the first, so you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. You come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Photomath app, or just click on search. Then here add Photomath, it's going to show for you like this here. So you just click on it here. So then you come to next step here, click on first stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. You come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.